If you run WordPress, the world's leading content management system, the chances are you're well aware of why having a fast site will always be more important than ever. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Redis up and running for your WordPress websites. If you're using RunCloud, getting this set up in a secure way with all the best practices configured out of the box couldn't be easier. Simply head to your RunCloud dashboard, and once here, navigate to your web application. We can do this using the web applications area here or by heading to the server and then selecting our web application. In this case, we'll be using our bark and order server and website. If you're new here, this is the dummy dog training service business we use in various other tutorials. From your web application overview page, simply navigate to the RunCloud Hub settings area here. Think of RunCloud Hub as RunCloud's WordPress toolkit. It powers features like our Cloudflare integration, server-side caching, and more. So, as you might have guessed, from here, all we need to do is hit Let's Get Started. You'll then be prompted to choose your Nginx, page caching, and Redis object caching preferences. Assuming we're Redis aficionados, which we are, I'll switch the page caching method to Redis full page caching, enable Redis object caching, as well as agree to allow RunCloud to configure this on my server. When ready, we can proceed by clicking Install RunCloud Hub. And now we wait. Well, in other words, we let RunCloud do the heavy lifting while we enjoy our coffee. And before we know it, the installation is all done. To confirm, simply head over to your WordPress website. Here, you'll now be able to view the new RunCloud Hub plugin settings area, where you can see all the details of your Redis configuration, which is now already up and running. Heading back to the RunCloud Hub settings area in the RunCloud dashboard itself, you'll see additional options here that we didn't need to manually configure. These are the Redis object cache, constants, Redis password, and Redis domain. These are critical, yet most, if not all other tutorials on how to set up Redis do not cover this approach, and most other providers do not configure the Redis password and domain properly out of the box. The result of this is that if you have multiple web applications running on a single server, one vulnerable site could lead to other sites being exploited as well, since access to the Redis server-side cache can be manipulated. Fortunately, RunCloud takes this manual configuration out of our hands so we can focus on shipping web applications instead of server configs. And that's all. Your web application is now using Redis. Your server will be able to serve more concurrent traffic as a result, and your users will thank you for delivering a faster experience across the board. You'll now also conveniently be able to clear your server-side cache directly from your WordPress toolbar. Navigate to any page and hover over RunCloud Hub, and you'll be able to clear the cache of this post, clear all, or clear the Redis object cache. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have absolutely any questions for us, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.